The Aprilia Tuareg 660 head-to-head with the Yamaha Tenere 700. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, where we share with you all of the information about these two motorcycles head-on. The Aprilia Tuareg 660 is clearly built to take some market share from the most successful adventure bike in recent times, especially in the mid-segment, the Tenere 700. T700 or Tenere 700 has been a huge hit with reviewers and customers alike for its decent price, simplicity and genuine off-road capability. But does Tuareg 660 really have what it takes to compete, or is it simply impossible to compete with an established and accomplished bike as the Tenere 700? The new Tuareg 660 will use the same fundamentals as its predecessor. It's a 659cc parallel twin with a 270 degrees crank for that sweet V-twin sound. Tuareg also has an extra couple of liters in its 18-liter fuel tank than the Tenere, so it should take you to the destination without filling up. However, the T700 makes more power on paper than the Tuareg, but that's no word on where it makes power in the rev range, but it's safe to assume that it's lower down below for better usability. The Tuareg is very similar model to the 10-year-old Tenere, but it has more features. You get 4 riding modes and you can adjust the suspension, brakes and other aspects of the ride. It's not quite clear-cut with strengths and weaknesses for both in terms of designs and performance, as both come in the same segment in the same way, providing same features and same cycle parts. The differentiation comes with the engine. The engine is one of the most impressive things about the Tenere though, as well as being much taller at 875 centimeter than its predecessor. And the last thing, both motorcycles have similar geometry as well as cycle parts, which make them both very capable motorcycle in this segment. Only the price and the launch of the motorcycle will tell us if it is going to make a dent in the segment or will it grow the segment together with the Tenere. One thing which is evident is that the Tenere is positioned for a rider who wants pure motorcycling fun. A motorcycle that is less loaded with electronics and more with functionality. While on the other side, the Tuareg brings you all the creature comforts of giving riding modes along with all the functionalities that you expect in today's motorcycle. Tell us what do you think in the comment section below, and do share this video with your friends. Also, do you want a video which explain all the features of the Tuareg 660? We would love to share. Please let us know in the comment section below. Till that time, thank you so much and bye-bye.